Thank you, teachers and classmates.
God bless you po. Enjoy your day.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
You would really say to Antonia po, class.
Happy birthday, Antonia.
Happy birthday, Antonia.
Happy birthday, Antonia. Thank you, everyone.
You're welcome po.
Happy birthday, Antonia.
Okay, so how old are you, Antonia? So,
6.
we will clap 6 po. Okay, so everybody, can you please clap po 6 times? Ready? 1, 2,
Happy
birthday to you. Okay, thank you po. Thank you, class. So, what will you say to your classmate, Antonia?
Thank you. Thank you, teachers and classmates.
Okay, you're welcome po. Alright. May handaan mamaya sa hapon. Okay, anyway, so class, you can now sit down properly. Keep